Hey everyone, my name is Katrina Panslow and I am the Marketing Communications Director at The Right Place. And I'm here to talk to you about how to host an event during Tech Week. If you're thinking of hosting an event, that's great. Anyone with a tech or innovation tie-in can host a Tech Week event. Companies, nonprofits, startups, schools, and even individuals. You just need a strong idea and a few details figured out. Your event must be educational and value-driven, nonpartisan and free of sales pitches, free or low cost to attend, and lastly, in person. Formats can include panel discussions, workshops, live demos, keynotes, or networking mixers. It's up to you. Just think about what will best engage your audience. When planning, choose a venue that fits your event size and accessibility needs. Set realistic goals for your team, budget, and timeline. You'll need to provide a Tech Week ambassador or who can help you find one. And if you'd like Tech Week signage, request it early. Supplies are limited. We'll support you with branding assets and list your event on our website, but you're responsible for promoting and managing registration. To learn more about hosting an event during Tech Week, visit our website at techweekgr.com.